Well, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, as you can see, we are going to crochet this very easy summer bag. I wish I would have come up earlier with this bag so I could have taken it with me in my last holidays, but anyway, I really love this bag. It's one of the easiest one that I have done until now. You can use t-shirt yarn as well, and it can be done even bigger if you are looking for like one of those big beach bags. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up on your way out, of course, if you like this video. Also, don't forget to follow me on my other social media platforms where I post content that maybe I don't post here on YouTube. And of course, I hope you are considering to subscribe if you are new to my channel. I hope you like the content of my channel and you click that button of subscribe, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell. I have used a ribbon XL from Hooked and a 6mm hook. I also used 2 wooden handles. I will drop all the links of the materials in the description box, so you can just click there and you can check the materials that I have used. So I started by tangling around, I call it, the yarn. So I just did like a chain but around the wooden handle, and then I just started crocheting 40 chain stitches. So the stitch that I'm going to use to do this bag is the slip stitch ribbing, and also I am going to use the half double crochet ribbing. For the slip stitch ribbing, I have a tutorial which I will link up here, so you can just check the tutorial, but you can also follow me over here. And it's very easy to do, it's not complicated. So these 2 stitches are combined and you can do this very pretty and beautiful bag. So let's get on with the tutorial.